Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is oral sheet question number from 6 to 10. Our today's topic is oral sheet question number from 6 to 10. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn oral sheet question number from 6 to 10. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. Our 6th number question is, who gave the message about a son to Maryam alayhi salam? Who gave the message about a son to Maryam alayhi salam? Our answer is, an angel gave the message about a son to Maryam alayhi salam. Our answer is, an angel gave the message about a son to Maryam alayhi salam. My dear students, an angel gave the news to Maryam alayhi salam, a son, an angel, and his name was Hazrat Jibril alayhi salam. This angel name was Hazrat Jibril alayhi salam. My dear students, now look at the board. Our 7th number question is, where did Maryam alayhi salam give birth to Isa alayhi salam? Where did Maryam alayhi salam give birth to Isa alayhi salam? Our answer is, Maryam alayhi salam gave birth to Isa alayhi salam under a palm tree. Maryam alayhi salam gave birth to Isa alayhi salam under a palm tree. My dear students, Maryam alayhi salam gave birth to Isa alayhi salam under a palm tree. My dear students, if I ask you, what is the mother name of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's mother's name? Yes, then you will give the answer. The mother's name of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. My dear students, now look at the board. Our 8th number question is, which holy book did Allah send to Isa alayhi salam? Which holy book did Allah send to Isa alayhi salam? Our answer is, Allah sent to Isa alayhi salam the holy book of Injil. Allah sent to Isa alayhi salam the holy book of Injil. My dear students, you know that there are 104 Asmani kitabs, and 4 is most valuable, and 1 is revealed on Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Allah has revealed the holy book Injil on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Isa alayhi salam through Jibril alayhi salam. My dear students, now look at the board. Who has no wife and children? Who has no wife and children? Our answer is, Allah has no wife and children. Allah has no wife and children. My dear students, you know that Allah is one. Allah has no wife and no children. Allah governs all over the world. My dear students, in this regard, Allah has no wife, no child, and He is only one. And we believe that. For that reason, we say kalima la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. My dear students, now look at the board. Our 10th number question is, what is the meaning of zakah? What is the meaning of zakah? Our answer is, zakah means to increase, to purify, etc. Our answer is, zakah means to increase, to purify, etc. My dear students, you know that zakah means to increase, to purify. My dear students, if you have a lot of money, then you should give the zakat to the poor. And if you have enough money, then it will be compulsory activity for you. And my dear students, I would like to mention one thing, that zakat does not reduce the wealth, but zakat broaden your wealth and purify your money if you give zakat. So my dear students, if you parents have a lot of money, then they should give zakat to the poor, and it is the compulsory activities for them. So my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned 5 oral sheet question from 6 to 10. My dear students, that's all for today. Now look at the board. Today our lecture number 21 and SW number 20. Lecture number 21 and SW number 20. My dear students, you will make SW at your home. Oral sheet question answer from 6 to 10. Oral sheet question answer from 6 to 10. My dear students, here is written my contact number. If you face any problem, then you will contact with me. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, that's all for today. You must submit your SW copy on every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Don't forget to submit your SW copy, because you know that your CT and SBA marks depend on submitting your SW copy. So my dear students, keep practicing at home again and again, and see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.